is the concern that terrorist groups, whether it be Al-Shabaab or others, might continue to make Somalia a home base and might continue to grow?
Well, there's a number of concerns. In many ways, the worst-case scenario has already transpired. Shabaab has close links to al-Qaeda now. It's developed those over the past couple of years, and Shabaab already controls most of southern Somalia and most of the capital, Mogadishu. So from that standpoint, if al-Qaeda wanted to get up to mischief in East Africa, it already has a platform. Were Shabaab to take all of Mogadishu, that would be a political setback for the U.S. and its allies and a disaster in the region.
What kind of leverage might any country have to help out Somalia right now?
Not a whole lot. The problem has been the transitional federal government has been very weak. It's in its 6th year of a 5-year transitional process. It still is only able to remain in parts of Mogadishu that are protected by 4,000 African Union peacekeeping forces. It really needs to demonstrate both the capacity and the will to A, expand the territory that it controls, and then B, to consolidate its governance there. We just haven't seen a whole lot of that. The TFG, I think, is considered by most international players, including the U.S. government, to be the best of bad options there. We're trying to make it work, mainly because the alternatives are so much worse.
No, it's so sad. It's such a beautiful country and such beautiful people.
Yes.
Kenneth Mankhaus, thanks so much. Appreciate your time.
My pleasure.